The digital curtain.
In early 2020, India was TikTok's largest foreign market with 200 million users. It had quickly become a hit for showcasing dancing and acting talent. The algorithm is magic. It doesn't just favor the big guys, new users can blow up instantly. Plus, I can add Bollywood songs easily.
10 million followers. I quit my job at Google to focus on comedy shorts full-time.
Growing tensions between India and China, including clashes on the border, led the government to raise concerns about Chinese-owned apps holding large amounts of user data. TikTok, along with 58 other Chinese-owned apps, was banned nationally, cited as prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of India and for stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data.
I felt devastated. Everything I worked for, gone. I thought I would have to go back to a 9-to-5 job.
Foot traffic is down by half since the pandemic. TikTok Shop is squarely to blame. Indonesia banned e-commerce sales on social media platforms like TikTok.
E-commerce cannot become social media. They must be separated. This regulation ensures equality in business competition and protects local small businesses.
We used to have 200 sales per day using TikTok Shop's interactivity. Now, after the ban, sales are almost nothing. I might have to let go of my 10 full-time staff.
The ban targeted predatory pricing and an influx of cheap imported goods facilitated by social commerce. Social commerce companies were prohibited from facilitating payment transactions.
For sellers like me, TikTok allowed soft selling. I could be an influencer and a seller simultaneously.
I don't care about politics. It's just a life encyclopedia for me: fashion, travel, my side business. Why did they seal it off?
Zaya Hongshu was involved in 1,706 fraud cases, causing over 247 million NTD in financial losses. The company refused to respond to official requests to cooperate.
Unlike platforms like Meta or Google, Zaya Hongshu has no legal representative in Taiwan and refuses to cooperate with fraud investigations, creating a legal vacuum.
Our security assessment found zero compliance. This application collects sensitive information and surreptitiously transmits users' data back to China.
Opponents argue this ban is building a cyber Great Wall and that users will just bypass it with VPNs.
When TikTok was banned in India, many creators migrated to platforms owned by American companies like Instagram and YouTube. YouTube Shorts saw a huge boost in popularity.
Little Glove was born on TikTok, and I can never forget it. But now, I diversify: a parenting profile on Instagram, lifestyle content on YouTube, and even a podcast.
Following the TikTok ban, Indian short-form video (SFV) platforms saw a 3.6x increase in daily active users and established a resilient user base. Users now spend about 30 minutes daily on these apps. The ban spurred new monetization streams on Indian platforms, including influencer marketing, virtual tipping, expected to reach $700 to $800 million by FY29, and video commerce. Whether rooted in national security, protecting local commerce, or demanding legal accountability for fraud, the age of global, unregulated social media is over. The digital world is increasingly defined by sovereign borders.